I just came up with another bright idea. I am so smart, suddenly it just appeared.
Data comes in many different formats, gathered through a variety of ways. Data refers specifically to the information you gather, while statistics refer to the analysis of the data you gathered. Data sets are the segments of data you are collecting, while data points are the specific data facts you identify. In all of this, your research data can be categorized as either qualitative data or quantitative data. Why is this important to know? Because quantitative and qualitative data tells you different things. Therefore, they are used in different ways. Let's start with what we are most familiar with, quantitative data. Quantitative is exactly what the root word quantity means, the amount or data of something. Quantitative data is data that is used in trying to quantify a problem or address the what or how many aspect of a research question. Quantitative data counts things, people, actions, how many times something occurs. This data is usually collected using tallying tools such as reports in accounting software or your customer relationship management tool. Or it may be a physical count during an event or activity, such as a volunteer counting how many people pass through the gates of your show. Quantitative data gives us data points on facts of activity, occurrences, reactions, and actions. It can help us to gain knowledge and generate understanding on our philanthropy and fund development effort. It also allows us to analyze trends, phenomena, and actions that affect our development programs. Here are some examples. Last quarter, we sent thank you emails 7 times to each one of our donors who gave over $5,000 in 2020. We received $12,000 from 17 donors in May of 2021. On the other hand, qualitative data is exactly what the root word quality means, defining the features or characteristics of something. Qualitative data is data that is used in determining the emotional impact or characterization of something and its attributes and properties. Qualitative data can be observed and recorded, but it is not numerical in nature. We can, however, count how many observations we had on the same data point. Qualitative data is usually collected using questionnaires, interviews, focus groups, or by observation, and it frequently appears in narrative form. Qualitative data gives us data points on facts of reactions and personal beliefs, attitudes, and perceptions. It helps us better understand the language and lives of our donors and make decisions on our activities for building a philanthropic community or implementing fundraising that meets the donors where they are. Examples: donors who gave $5,000 or more last year felt we had a very focused purpose. We had a very negative response to the post on pizza on our social media page. Most of us analyzing data choose to incorporate both qualitative and quantitative data into our research, since they each provide different perspectives on the topic. Example: we invited 200 donors who gave over $5,000 in 2020 to answer a set of questions in our survey, with 50 people completing the survey before the final day. Respondents of the survey commented that the pizza post on our social media page was not the right approach. Of the 50 completed surveillance, 45 commented on the pizza post, and of the 45, 40 stated they felt the post was not the right approach. Here's some homework to strengthen your knowledge. Identify what data sets for your philanthropy and fundraising effort are quantitative and which are qualitative. Quantitative and qualitative data are important categories that will help you better understand your investment into building philanthropy and implementing fundraising.
I just came up with another bright idea. I am so